In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Word or Excel attachment in Gmail. First, start on the Google home page. From here, look to the top of the page and click Gmail. That takes you straight to your inbox. Once you're in, find the message that contains the attachment you want to open. It might be labeled something like a test message or a message you sent to yourself. Go ahead and open that email. Inside the message, scroll down. If you don't immediately see the attachments, Gmail usually shows them as small tiles at the bottom of the email body, with a file name and an icon that tells you the type. Word files typically show a blue W, while Excel files show a green X. If the email is long or has multiple replies, keep scrolling until you reach the attachment section. When you've located the Word document, look for the small drop-down or Open With option on the attachment tile. Click that drop-down to reveal available apps. Choose Google Docs. Gmail will open the file in a new tab using Google Docs so you can view and edit it right in your browser. This is especially helpful if you don't have Microsoft Word installed. Behind the scenes, Google makes a copy for editing. Your original attachment remains unchanged in the email, so you can always download it later if needed. If you're working with an Excel attachment, the process is the same. Find the Excel file in the email, click the drop-down on its attachment tile, and select Google Sheets. That will open it in a new tab using Google Sheets. Just like with Word files, you'll be able to view and edit without needing the desktop Excel app. The formatting usually carries over well, but complex features may look a bit different. Use this method for quick edits, sharing, or collaboration. A few practical tips as you go. If the drop-down isn't visible, hover your mouse over the attachment tile and it should appear. If you only need a quick look, you can preview the file first, then choose to open it with Google Docs or Google Sheets from the preview window. And if the email thread is long, use the scroll bar on the right of the message pane to get to the attachment area faster. That's it. Open Gmail from Google, select your email, scroll to the attachment, use the drop-down, and open Word files in Google Docs or Excel files in Google Sheets. You'll be viewing and editing your documents in just a few clicks.